Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want to be more productive and multitask without switching between applications all the time? In this video, I will show you how you can create a split screen on your iPhone. Let's go. Unlike on an iPad where multitasking is made simple, you cannot split screen on your iPhone natively. As of recording, there is no available configuration that provides this certain feature. However, there are various third-party apps you can download from the App Store, which are free of charge, that offer similar function without requiring a jailbreak. To start, open App Store and search for Split Screen. You can browse through each suggestion and download one that you prefer best. For this video, let's try Dual Window Multi-Workspace. After installation, launch the app on your device. As you can see, the first and second split screen windows are already set up. All you have to do now is choose which apps to open individually. Although this app doesn't exactly permit you to do a split screen from your iPhone natively, it does offer several categories such as browser, image, and document that you can choose from. Let me add a Google window for the top half of my screen by tapping on Browser and then Google. It even lets you to open files stored locally on your device. To do so, choose Document from the categories. Tap on the plus button, press From Device, and then locate your document file. Another alternative is to use iPhone's built-in picture-in-picture capability, which allows you to view videos while performing other tasks on your device. Open Settings, go to General, choose Picture-in-Picture, and then see to it that Start PIP automatically is enabled. This is particularly applicable to video-based apps like FaceTime, Apple TV, and other streaming platforms. When you open any of these apps and swipe up to return to the home screen, it will immediately overlay any other active window on your iPhone. If you are also interested in activating this feature for other apps, specifically YouTube, click on the link in the top right corner to learn how to do this. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.